So now let's see how we can work around with Action Cam crop effect inside of HitFilm. So to do that, you need to go around under the effects tab right here. And over here, if I were to go around under warp right here in the warp folder, you can see that Action Cam crop is an option right here. So if I were to go around and bring this in on the top of the clip, then you can see that I can keep it right here on the top of the clip as well in the track, so that all the layers beneath the effect is affected right here. And I can go around over here and bring in the Action Cam crop over here on my particular clip as well. So now you can go around and select out a preset right here for the field of view, and then you can go around and change around the translate right here. And as I click on it, you can see that over here in the translate, as I move it around, you can see right here that there's this blur effect right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and work around with this, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and select out different field of view preset, you can see that the distortion is different over there. So I can go around and change around the field of view manually over here, just like this as well, and change around the transition. You can go around and scale this out over here, just like this as well, from the side. And you can go around and choose around the aspect ratio as you like as well, just like this. You can go for a custom ratio right here, just like this, and you can go around for within height and so forth right here. Over here on the button, you can see that wrap is an option. So you can go around and turn the wrap off right here, so that you can see that it just shows up the edges right here. Or you can go around over here and then tile this out over here, just like this as well. So you can see that there is a tile over here from the sides right here. You can go around onto reflect, and what happens is that it reflects out the footage right here, as you can see right here when you select out reflect. And if I were to go around onto blur, then you get the blur effect, as you can see right here, just like this. And this is how you can go around with the Action Cam crop effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.